It's our top story on 10/11. All right, Ken, thank you very much. Well, after days of weather worries, most of the ice is gone, thankfully, but a number of people are still dealing and recovering from injuries sustained while falling.
Yeah, during the season of slick sidewalks and icy driveways, is there anything you can do to prevent injuries? 10/11's Brandy B. Harris joins us live now. Brandy?
With so many people injured from slip and falls and snow shoveling injuries, now is a good time to consider what you can do to prevent getting hurt this season. During the winter months, medical providers see an increased number of injuries related to ice and snow conditions. Dr. Kyle Norman at the Joint Chiropractic Clinic says he sees back injuries more than any other this time of year. Those injuries are the result of poor shoveling technique and also just slipping and falling on the ice. So if you have to shovel, do it correctly or your back could be in trouble.
Make sure that you're bending the knees and doing most of your lifting with the arms and legs. You want to kind of keep your back out of the equation as much as possible. Injuries occur mostly to the back, so you want to kind of protect that area.
To prevent yourself from being injured, Dr. Kyle says the first step is fairly obvious. Dress in layers so your muscles can stay warm, but you can still have mobility. Next, so you don't slip, take steps with a small base and do not overextend your stride, keeping your center of gravity over you. And lastly, he says do a quick warm-up of running in place or jumping jacks before heading out into the cold, because cold muscles tend to be more susceptible to injury. Now, we called area hospitals and clinics, and from the information we were able to gather, there were about 100 people who suffered from ice-related injuries during this week's ice storm. Now, that's a lot of people out of commission, but winter has its risks, and accidents do happen. Reporting live in Lincoln, Brandy B. Harris, 10/11 News.
Yeah, Brandy, falling on the ice is so easy to do, and it really hurts for sure. Thanks very much for that.